Hi everyone, welcome again to another video of Secure Linux. This video is about consequences of programming languages, when program packages become old or backdated. So, watch the video till the end. The main problem arises, when every program packages are backdated, then we install manually by downloading new version of language packages from official website and try to set up. Because in Linux, out of the box provide to the user, new version with new default program packages, at the certain of time comes all packages are old, and they are not automatically update by using sudo apt update and upgrade like stuff. So, if you as a beginner user of Linux, you become confused what to do or what not to do, and do some silly mistakes, your whole Linux system will crash out. For example, in recent update of Ubuntu 22.04, out of the box user get Python 3.10.4 version, but, if we go now to Python official website, new Python 3.10.5 is released, and still Linux distros did not get the update. So if you are programmer you should always up to date. Now the conclusion of this video is, in my vision Linux distros should give automatic updates of programming languages like Java, Python, Clang, PHP etc. by using apt, or one like package manager. It is to make more user-friendly experience especially for beginner users. Thank you everyone for watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned till the next video.